Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to resize video clips and images using Davinci Resolve 18. Let's dive in. First things first, get your video clip into the timeline. Once it's there, we're ready to start resizing. With your video clip selected, head over to the inspector. Scroll all the way down to Retime and Scaling, and double-click to open the settings. Now, let's focus on the scaling options. Open up the project settings, and you'll see 4 choices: crop, fit, fill, and stretch. For this tutorial, we won't be using crop or fit. Fill zooms into the clip, and stretch stretches it to fit the frame. Instead, let's head back to project settings, move up, and select transform. In the transform settings, unlink the zoom, x-axis, and y-axis. Now you have the freedom to zoom into the clip, stretch it horizontally or vertically, or even shrink it to fit your frame perfectly. Play around with the settings to get the perfect size and framing for your clip. Maybe you want to focus on the y-axis and stretch it further or shrink it down. It's all up to you. And there you have it. That's how you resize video clips and images in Davinci Resolve 18. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.